just fueling up for Mount Whitney. Just about to leave the Bay Area. Super excited. Haven't done this I've been wanting to do this for like 3 years, so I'm very excited. And finally won a lottery permit. So after failing to summit Whitney 3 years ago, I was off to the mountain again. It was just about under a 7-hour drive from the bay, but before I got to the trailhead and the campground, there was one stop I had to make first. Just made it to the visitor center, Eastern Sierra Visitor Center, to pick up my permit. All right, got my permit. I spent 2 nights at Whitney Family Campground near the trailhead and around 8,000 feet elevation. I did this to acclimate since I was coming from sea level for a couple of nights and to make sure I ate enough carbs. Pancakes. Oh yeah. Just passing Lone Pine Lake and feeling amazing. God, it's so beautiful up here. My pack is super heavy. Looks like there's only a couple tents here at Outpost Camp. Feeling good. Feeling better and better. Just gonna take a break to take the bag off and get a snack and then continue on to Consultation Lake. Okay, so after Outpost Camp down here, I passed Mirror Lake, which is right here in the bottom of the screen, and made my way up to Consultation Lake, past that, and finally made it to Trail Camp. When I got to Trail Camp, I was so tired that I didn't think I could summit the next day, even with a night's sleep. Could I do it? Would I get elevation sickness like so many others I had encountered on the way up? Let's check this out. This is the snow chute that I didn't come up. Instead I took the 99. But wow, crazy.
Whitney isn't the hardest hike in the world, but for many who make the attempt, it's probably the hardest hike most people will ever do in their lives. It was the hardest hike I had ever completed. Speaking to those around me, I discovered that people had overcome so much in order to be here. Many, like me, didn't know if they could make it, but we did. I didn't know if I would ever be back here, or if I'd ever want to do anything harder than the Mount Whitney hike. I thought a lot about what this experience meant to me. Was it about ego, or success, or peak bagging? I decided the experience meant more to me than all that. That when you embark on an adventure in nature, it has a way of showing us what the world has to offer and what we have to offer ourselves. And in realizing that, I knew that I would be back and that I would want to do harder peaks in the future. So I'm looking forward to what's next. Hello, and thank you for watching my Mount Whitney video. My name is Michael Kelly. I go by my initials, MJ Kelly, online. On this channel, I explore different outdoor adventures, hiking, photography, and most recently completed a trip of living in my car for 8 months, which I'll be sharing. I plan to do more California 14ers and also film and share those experiences on this channel as well. So I hope you'll subscribe if you're interested, like this video if you liked it, and hit the bell if you want to be notified for more videos in the future. I'm also on Instagram, where I post my photography and short videos of my adventures, and would love to connect with you on there as well. I'm on Twitter, and all of that will be in the link tree posted just below. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.